Welcome to an algebra video tutorial working our way through linear equations, specifically parallel lines. So I wanted to do a problem where we're looking at two different linear equations, and the question is, are these two linear equations parallel to each other? So we have 10x minus 2y equals 22, and then we have 4 plus y equals 5 times 1 plus x. So how do we go about determining if two lines are parallel? We could graph them and kind of try and eyeball it, and it may look kind of parallel, like the same linear distance from each other. But the best way to do this is to turn both of these into slope-intercept form and see if they have the same slope. Parallel lines have the same slope. So we're going to look for the same slope. All right, well, let's do some algebraic work here, and let's rearrange both of these equations into slope-intercept form. We'll start with the first one on the left here. So to do that, I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 10x from both sides. And we got negative 2y equals a negative 10x plus 22. And I want to get rid of that negative 2 multiplying the y, so I'm going to divide everything on both sides by negative 2. So we've got y equals negative 10 divided by negative 2 is going to be positive 5x minus 11 when I do 22 divided by 2. Okay, so I can look at that. I got that in slope-intercept form now. It looks like my slope is equal to 5. Now let's take a look at the other equation and see if I can get a similar result. If the slope is also positive 5, I've got some parallel lines going on. So here I want to, let's distribute the 5 first. I like that. So we got 4 plus y is equal to 5 times 1 is 5 plus 5x. Now let's subtract 4 from both sides. I want to get y by itself. And now we've got y is equal to 1 plus 5x. Now I can rearrange that. It doesn't matter the order in which I add things, and rewrite that as 5x plus 1. There we go. We got that one now in slope-intercept form. And I can see that it is also 5 times x, which means the slope is 5. So comparing what we have here, we have the same slope. So looking at the question, are these two linear equations parallel to each other? The answer is yes. They both have the same slope of positive 5.